Chapter 21, Foster Self-Acceptance. While resilience is your shield against the world's challenges, self-acceptance is the foundation on which you build your inner strength. It's the quiet assurance that you're enough, just as you are. Embrace your flaws, appreciate your uniqueness, and celebrate your victories, however small. No one's perfect, and that's perfectly okay. Self-acceptance isn't about complacency, though. It's about acknowledging where you are now so you can chart a path to where you want to be. It's about understanding that your worth isn't tied to your achievements, mistakes, or the opinions of others. You're valuable simply because you exist. Start by forgiving yourself for past mistakes. They're lessons, not life sentences. Then, replace negative self-talk with affirming words. When you stumble upon a weakness, don't beat yourself up. Instead, see it as an area for growth. Remember, comparison is the thief of joy. You're not in competition with anyone. Each person's journey is unique, and so is yours. Celebrate your progress, no matter how slow or small. Each step forward is a victory. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. People who support and uplift you, books that inspire you, music that makes you happy. Cultivate an environment that nourishes your soul. Fostering self-acceptance is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, and that's okay. You're a work in progress, and each day you're becoming a better version of yourself. So be patient with yourself, believe in your worth, and remember, you're enough, just as you are. Chapter 22, Unlock Your Full Potential. Amid the journey of self-acceptance lies a hidden treasure waiting to be unearthed, your full potential. It's not about becoming someone new, but rather peeling back the layers of doubt and fear to reveal the extraordinary person you've always been. Take a step back and ask yourself, what am I capable of? Don't be shy. This isn't the time to downplay your abilities. It's time to recognize and embrace them. You've got strengths you've never even thought to tap into. So challenge yourself. Set goals that scare you a little. Why? Because they'll push you to grow. Remember, it's okay to stumble. It's okay to fall. What's not okay is staying down. You're stronger than any obstacle that stands in your way. You've got this. Every failure is just another stepping stone on the path to success. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Let them drive you. Unlocking your full potential is a journey, not a destination. It's about constant learning and growth. It's about pushing past your limits and discovering how much more you can achieve. But most importantly, it's about believing in yourself. You've got the power to do incredible things. So take the reins, steer your life in the direction you want it to go, and watch as you surprise even yourself with what you're capable of. Chapter 23, Nurture Appreciation. Life's path is often rocky, but gratitude is a potent tool for personal growth. Why focus on gratitude? It's simple, it shifts your perspective from what you lack to what you already possess. It's about valuing your current blessings, which can profoundly alter your outlook. Begin with small steps. Each morning, before diving into your day, take a moment to appreciate life's simple pleasures, the sun's warmth, your coffee's flavor, or your bed's comfort. These seemingly insignificant things can bring joy to your heart. That's the magic of gratitude. Establish a daily habit of listing 3 things you're thankful for. It could be anything, a stranger's kindness, your family's love, or progress in your personal journey. This practice not only fosters a positive mindset but also builds resilience in the face of challenges. Remember, cultivating gratitude isn't about ignoring or concealing your problems. It's about finding glimmers of hope and positivity amid chaos. It's about recognizing the good in your life and letting it empower you to face your challenges head-on. There's always something to be grateful for, you just need to look for it. So start today, start now. Nurture gratitude and witness how it transforms your life, your perspective, and your journey towards self-improvement. Chapter 24, confront change bravely. Change, like the tide, is constant and unavoidable. It's a fundamental aspect of life that you can't escape, no matter how hard you try. But here's the thing, you don't need to fear change. Instead, you can learn to embrace it with courage and grace. View change as an opportunity for growth, a pathway to new beginnings. You're not losing something, you're gaining a chance to become a better version of yourself. It won't be easy, but you've got this. Remember, you're stronger and more resilient than you realize. It's natural to feel apprehensive or even scared when facing change. That's okay, those feelings are valid. But don't let them paralyze you. Instead, use them as fuel to push through and face the unknown. It's in these moments of uncertainty that you'll discover your true strength. When change comes knocking, don't hide away. Stand tall, look it in the eye, and welcome it with open arms. It's a new adventure, a chance to learn and grow, to rebuild yourself from the ground up. Embrace it. Let it mold you, shape you, redefine who you are. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, it's a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time. Breathe and trust in the process. You're on your way to becoming the best version of yourself, and that's something to be proud of. Embrace change with courage, and you'll find that it's not as daunting as it seems. Chapter 25, Unveil Your True Self. Revealing your authentic self is crucial to rebuilding yourself. It involves identifying your core values, embracing your imperfections, trusting your journey, building self-confidence, and harnessing the power of positive thinking. Let's explore how these elements can transform your life and guide you towards a more genuine, fulfilled, and happier self. Dive deep into your essence by identifying your personal core values. These values are your compass, guiding you towards your true north. They shape your worldview, influence your decisions, and define your actions. To uncover these guiding principles, reflect on your life's highlights. What moments make you feel truly alive? Jot them down. Now identify the values inherent in these moments. Was it integrity, adventure, compassion? Next, prioritize. You can't stand for everything, so choose what matters most. Which values are non-negotiable? Which ones ignite your soul with passion? Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's about authenticity. It's about you. Finally, align your actions with these values. Live them, breathe them. They're not just words, they're your life's blueprint. When challenges arise, they'll be your rock. It's a journey, but you're not alone in this. Be patient, be kind to yourself. You're diving deep, unearthing your authentic self, and trust me, it's worth every step. Embracing your imperfections isn't about celebrating flaws, it's about accepting your whole, authentic self. It's understanding that you're a masterpiece in progress, with every knot, crack, and rough edge adding to your unique beauty. You don't need to be perfect to be exceptional. Remember, even the moon has its dark spots, yet it still shines brilliantly in the darkness. Your imperfections are part of what makes you unique, what sets you apart in a world where it's all too easy to blend in. Take a moment to reflect on what you consider your imperfections. Are they truly flaws, or are they unique aspects of your personality that you've been conditioned to see as negatives? Understand that you're not defined by your imperfections. They're a part of you, but they don't own you. They're simply chapters in your story, not the whole book. Having acknowledged your imperfections, it's just as important to trust in the unique path that is your life journey. Your path is unlike anyone else's, and it's vital to bear that in mind. Your experiences, choices, and mistakes are what mold you into who you are. They're not only inevitable but also essential. To trust your journey is to embrace uncertainty, to find comfort amidst chaos, and to recognize that it's okay not to have all the answers. It's like charting a course with multiple detours, without a clear destination. But remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Acknowledge the power of your decisions, the strength of your own resilience. This trust in yourself and your journey is an affirmation of your authenticity. It's about being real, being you, even when the world tries to mold you into something else. Releasing your authentic self is the cornerstone of building self-confidence. It's about letting go of the fear and uncertainty that holds you back and embracing all that makes you unique. You've got a universe of potential inside you, just waiting for you to tap into. Don't be afraid to shine. Start by acknowledging your strengths and accomplishments. You've come a long way, haven't you? Each step you've taken, every challenge you've overcome, has shaped you into the person you are today. That's something to be proud of. Next, work on accepting your flaws and failures. They're part of you as much as your successes. Sure, they might sting sometimes, but they're also your greatest teachers. Embrace them, learn from them, and use them as stepping stones to reach higher heights. Finally, believe in yourself. You're capable of more than you think. You've got this. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. Let your light shine bright. Be bold, be brave, be you. Continuing your journey towards self-confidence, let's illuminate another aspect of your inner strength, the power of positive thinking. This isn't about ignoring life's troubles. Instead, it's about approaching hardships with a productive, optimistic mindset. You see, your thoughts can shape your reality. They're like a compass, guiding your actions and influencing your responses to life's challenges. When you replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations, you're setting a course for success. Your mind becomes fertile ground, nurturing seeds of self-belief and resilience. Embrace the power of positive thinking. Start by identifying your self-limiting beliefs. Once you've recognized them, replace them with empowering thoughts. You're stronger than you think, and you're capable of achieving more than you imagine. Emotional intelligence is your secret weapon, your inner guiding star leading you toward authenticity. It's not merely understanding your emotions, it's about harnessing them. You've got a well of feelings within you. Let's learn to navigate them. Picture your emotions as a vibrant palette of paints, each color representing a different feeling. You're the artist, and your life is the canvas. Some days are blue, filled with melancholy. Others are radiant yellows of joy. Recognizing these colors gives you the power to create your masterpiece. Sure, it's challenging. You'll face emotions you'd rather avoid, but that's where growth lies. It's like braving a storm to witness the rainbow. Remember, you're stronger than your struggles. Start by acknowledging your feelings. Are you angry? Sad? Excited? Don't just feel, understand why. Once you've pinpointed the source, you're already halfway there. Practicing emotional intelligence is a journey of self-discovery, a path to authenticity. It's not a one-day task, it's a lifestyle. So don't rush it. Embrace it. Every day, you're one step closer to revealing your true self. Now isn't that a journey worth venturing on? Imagine holding a magnifying glass to your life, focusing on the present moment. That's mindfulness. It's being aware, alert, and alive in the now. It's not about silencing your thoughts, but acknowledging them without reaction or judgment. It's about wrapping yourself in the comfort of the present instead of being wrapped up in past regrets or future anxieties. It's about perceiving the world through a lens of authenticity, an authentic you, feeling every emotion, every sensation, without rushing to label or judge. That's the beauty of mindfulness. It doesn't ask you to be anything you're not, but to be everything you are. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's a practice, a skill, a discipline. It requires patience and self-love. Remember, it's okay to lose focus, to wander off, but it's important to gently guide yourself back to the moment. Cultivate this mindful awareness daily. Make it a habit. Watch as it slowly peels away layers of stress, worry, and self-doubt, revealing a more authentic, more resilient you. And through this journey, you'll realize that the greatest gift you can give yourself is the present moment. Embrace it. Venturing on the path of personal growth can feel intimidating, but it's a journey each of us must undertake to reveal our authentic selves. It's not about becoming someone else, it's about becoming who you truly are. This is a process of discovering, accepting, and embracing your unique qualities, strengths, and even weaknesses. Remember, it's okay to be imperfect. Perfection is an illusion. The beauty of personal growth lies in your ability to accept your flaws and work on them. You'll surprise yourself with the strength you didn't know you had. Prioritize personal growth by setting aside time each day for self-reflection. Ask yourself, what can I learn from my experiences? How can I grow from them? Embrace change, it's the only constant in life. Open your mind to new ideas, perspectives, and opportunities. Stay committed to your personal growth journey. It might get tough, but remember, you're in control. You're the architect of your life. You have the power to build the life you want. So start today. Focus on you and take that brave step towards revealing your authentic self. You're worth it. In your journey of personal growth, it's essential to pause and honor your achievements, no matter how big or small. Every step forward, each hurdle overcome, is a badge of honor to your resilience, grit, and unwavering spirit. And so, it's pivotal to take time to celebrate these victories. When you acknowledge your accomplishments, you're not just patting yourself on the back. You're reinforcing a positive feedback loop of success, strengthening your self-confidence, and boosting your motivation to push on. And it's not about bragging or stroking your ego. It's a genuine recognition of the hard work you've put in. So don't shy away from celebrating yourself. You've earned it. Throw a party, treat yourself to a nice dinner, or simply take a peaceful moment to reflect on how far you've come. This isn't vanity, it's self-love, and it's pivotal for your personal development. So step boldly into the arena of self-discovery, my friend. Embrace your strengths, own your weaknesses, and bask in the glow of your authentic self. Remember, the journey to rebuild yourself is a marathon, not a sprint. It's okay to stumble, just get back up. Prioritize your well-being, cultivate gratitude, and embrace change with courage. You've got this. Every day is a new chance to be a better you, to rise, to shine, to thrive. Let's take it one day at a time, together. Thanks for listening to the Audiobooks venue.